Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Saurav Ghosh. I hope every one of you are doing well, and today I have come up with another video. The topic of this video is compound interest, the sum which is now visible on the screen. This is the last sum that we discussed on this topic, that is compound interest, and today I will try my level best to teach you in the best possible way how to solve the sums of compound interest in relation to log and anti-log using the log and anti-log table. So actually I think we can't cover more sums in this video actually, because I have to teach you both how to use the log table as well as the anti-log table, because I assume that many of you have seen, but those who are new, they can't understand the reference means which I want to put in the by using the log and anti-log table in the compound interest. So I will give the link of the log means the video in which I taught how to use the log table and anti-log table in the description below. So hopefully a good video will be developed. So let's start by solving sums. So actually the question is, find the difference between simple interest and compound interest. SI and CI, I am using short form. In exams actually this is commercial mathematics and statistics. You can use short forms can be used. So now this is a basic question. Now we will be giving given the information, provided information. Number 1, rupees 1000 rupees at the rate of 8% per annum for 2 years 9 months. So actually you see here means nothing is mentioned, means it is annually, half yearly or quarterly. Means when there is nothing is mentioned, you have to understand that we have to calculate it annually. And when means it will be mentioned to you that when you need to calculate quarterly or half yearly or monthly basis. So I hope you have understood what I am trying to convey. So first of all we will write the heading for simple interest, SI, simple interest. The heading is given. So P is 10,000, 1000, R is 8% per annum, and N is 2 years 9 months. So and we will convert to 9 by 12. So if we convert it, we will get it as 3 4 4 to 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 by 4 years. Okay, so this is the conversion process. Conversion is done. Now we will try to put it in the formula. So formula is SI equals to PRN by 100. So now we will directly put this into the formula. So 1000 into 8 into 11 divided by 100 into 4. This is a technique actually which I have learned from my teachers as well as from elders, that whenever in these types of questions, whenever it is given in the term of fraction 11 by 4, you directly write 11 divided by 4. That means you don't need to think. Means actually I used to spend a lot of time thinking that shall I write it in the division form in order to understand that. I have got a trick. This is the trick. These are the small tricks which helps you to save some time in order, so that you can give attention to those sums which you are unable to get the answer. You can do to the best possible way, because these sums are tough in the calculation part. Sums approaches are very easy, but calculation part is very difficult. So if you cancel the zeros, 4 2, so 220 rupees is the simple interest. Now we will find compound interest. So here we will directly put the formula. A equals to P 1 plus R by 100 to the power N. See, amount we don't know, amount we will find out. Then we will subtract the amount and the principal in order to get the amount of interest. Actually you see, actually sometimes I used to make this mistake, but I have analyzed, and means I have found out that actually you see the amount should be always greater than the principal. Always, it will be always greater than the principal. So the difference between the amount and the principal is compound interest. That is the amount which you will be getting after 11 by 4 years. So you see A equals to, the principal amount is 1000. 1 plus R is 8. 8 by 100 to the power 11 by 4. So A equals to 1000. So 108 divided by 100 to the power 11 by 4. Actually you see why we need to introduce the log. I am telling you in a straightforward way, so that you can understand it very easily. It should be very easy for you to understand. I hope you will not mind. Actually the camera stopped for some time. Sorry for the error. I am extremely sorry for the error. This is due to lack of camera, means what to say, it's not on your part, it's on my part. I will discuss that matter after some time. What's the problem? Actually what I wanted to say is that you see in this sum 4500 into 102 divided by 100 to the power 8. Actually if you want you can solve this sum using calculator, or you can use your brain also while solving this sum. But you see here the to the power is in fraction. So I personally don't know how to do this. I know only one method, that is the introduction of log. If I introduce log, then the sum can be easily done. So actually when you do basic sums, you will be easily doing by without using log, and when this fraction comes, you have to introduce log. Without log you can't do anything. So I hopefully don't think that we will be able to cover much sums in this video. Hopefully 2 to 3 sums can be done only. Actually it's a very lengthy as well as difficult for me to explain, as well as difficult for you also to understand, because you need knowledge of many things while solving these sums. I am introducing log in both the sides. Log A equals to log 1000 plus, I have made a video on the basic formulas of log. Here I am not going to explain that again. You all go and watch that video so that you can understand. Plus 11 by 4 log, this I have converted 1.08. The fraction is converted here. So keep it as it is. Keep it log A as log A only. Now log 1000 can be written as log 10 to the power 3, and log 10 to the power 3 means, you see, log 10 to the power 3 means log 1000. Log 10 to the power 3 can be written as 3 log 10, and the value of log 10 is 1. So you will get log 1000 equals to 3 plus 11 by 4 into log 1.08. Log 1.08 means, first of all, what is the characteristic? First of all, characteristics you have to find. This number is more than 1. So total number of digits before point minus 1. 1 minus 1. 0 is the characteristic. 0 point. Now you have to find out using the log table. This is the log table. I hope you can see the log table. Yeah, you can't see maybe. This is lack of camera problem. 10, 8, 0.0334. 0.0334. This is the value of log 1.08. So if you multiply it by 11 and divide it by 4, you will get it as log A equals to 3 plus 0.9185. So log A equals to 3.9185. I am sorry. Oh no. There I have made a mistake. 0.09185. Here also it will be 3.09185. Actually these are very complicated. Personally saying these things, you have to practice these things a lot for solving the sums. And this camera, what to say, I don't have any words to say. I hope now you can see the things clearly. Things are getting a bit clear. So if we take the log to the opposite side, log will be converted to anti-log. So it will be anti-log 3.09185. That will be. Now I have to take the anti-log table out. So this is the anti-log table. So first of all I have gone there to 0.9. So 0.91 means 1233. Write it here, 1233. And 5, if we round off it, it will be 3.0919. So go to mean difference 9, it is 3. So plus 3, so 1236. So 1.236 into 10 to the power 3. So it will be A equals to 1236. Now the sum is not at all completed here. We have to do further calculations. Actually this is the amount. We are not required to find the amount. No one has asked you to find the amount, but amount is needed for finding the compound interest. So now we will find out CI. CI equals to A minus P. That means 1236 minus 1000. So the amount is 236. So what is the difference? This is now also the sum is not completed. Now we have to find do the final thing, that is difference between SI and CI. Difference between SI and CI and SI. I am sorry, because amount is CI is more. 236 minus 220. 16 rupees. I hope it can be, you can see this. 16 rupees. 16 rupees is the answer to this question. The sum is now fully completed. But these are sums which don't carry very much marks. Means it depends upon, you will get maybe 3 marks, 4 marks. But you usually get more tough sums than these. These are comparatively easy because you just find the CI. There are many more complicated sums. Let's move on to the next sum of the video. I hope you are liking the video. I am trying my level best to teach you in the best possible way. If you are liking the video, give a thumbs up to the video. Subscribe to the channel. Comment something so that I can understand. You have understood my explanations. Now we will be moving on to the last sum of the video. The same question. Everything will be same, but the amount will be changed. Here the principal is 13,500. R is 6% PA. N is 3 years. For SI, SI equals to PRN by 100. 13,500 into 6 into 3 divided by 100. The amount is 2430. After doing the calculation part, you will get this. The actually simple interest is comparatively very easy, not at all tough. Now, compound interest. I hope you can all see this. Is it visible to you all? Now let's move on to compound interest. A equals to P1 plus R by 100 to the power n. We will keep A as A only. Actually, this video is especially made for those who understand only English only. So I am not using here any Hindi words. And in other videos, I try my level best by using vernacular languages so that everyone can understand. So today I am using English. My Hindi viewers may be a bit offensive for this purpose, but that's not a big deal. Even I can explain in Hindi also if you comment in the comment section. That's not a big deal. Equals to 13,500 1 plus 6 by 100 to the power 3. Now again what I am telling you is that here if you want you can omit log. Listen carefully. This is something which personally you have to understand, that whether I should take log or I should not take log. So you see here A equals to 13,500 into 106 by 100 to the power 3. So A equals to 13,500 into 1.06 into 3. So now it is up to you. You can take log. If you don't want to take log, you may not take log. But actually you see here log is actually not necessary in this case because it's 10 to the power 3. Without log only you can do this. So if you solve this, you will get the answer as 16,079 rupees. So if we try to find the compound interest, the formula will be amount minus principal. So CI equals to A minus P. 16079 minus 13,500. Amount is 2579. Difference between CI and SI equals to 2579 minus 2430. The answer is 149 rupees. I hope the explanation is clear to you all, because this sum is just same as the sum that we did before. This is the first sum. So I hope the explanations are a bit clear to you all. I hope you have understood the explanations. If you have understood, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Comment in your own language, in any vernacular language or in English, that something that from which I can get assurance that you all have understood the explanations very well. Thanks for watching the video. Show your support and love, and I will try my level best to teach you in the best possible way. Thanks for watching the video.